Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to buy USDT on OKX. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on OKX, just click on the sign up option. And from here, all you have to do is just provide your business or working email, or you can simply continue with your Google account, your Apple, Telegram, or wallet. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, once you are here buying USDT on OKX or any other cryptocurrency exchange can serve a lot of purposes depending on your investment strategy and goals. Now, USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, meaning its value remains relatively stable compared to other cryptocurrencies. Now, buying USDT can provide a hedge against volatility in the cryptocurrency market, allowing you to preserve the value of your investment during the turbulent times. Now, there are multiple ways for you to be able to buy USDT on OKX. When you go to this section, you have three options. It can be using the express buy, via the P2P trading, or the third-party payment. Now, let's click on the express buy, because from here you can buy USDT in a few steps. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, Solana, and more popular crypto. All you have to do is just put a number here. It can be 20, it can be 50, 100, or 1,000, and you'll receive the equivalent option for the USDT. Now, when you click on the buy option, you would receive a notification after that. Now, we are going to explore the P2P trading. Click on it. As you can see, you can create your marketplace and trade crypto with others in your local currency. You can buy, say, for example, 1,000 USDT. So these are the values that you can get from the transactions here in the P2P trading. Now, you also have an option to the Express. Click on it. As you can see, it's the same process. Say, for example, you pay 1,000 USD and you receive 1,000 USDT. Now, you also have an option to exclude ads that require verification, and all you have to do is just select the payment method. Now, the third option is simply the third-party payment. Click on it. And from here, just choose the amount that you wanted to pay, and you receive a corresponding USDT, and you can choose the payment gateway. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.